Let us insert now image in Google Slides. Select a slide where you have to insert an image. Go to Insert menu and choose the command Image. Image can be inserted by uploading it from your computer. Click the Upload button. Click Choose an image to upload from your computer. Locate where the pictures or photos are saved. Click the photo or image, then click the Open button. The photo is now inserted. You may also insert image in the slide by searching photo from the internet. Click the Search button. Type the keyword of photo or images that you would like to find. Select the image. Click the Select button. An image is now inserted. You can also insert shapes in the slide. Click the Shapes button from the Formatting toolbar. You can insert shapes, arrows, callouts, or equation. To insert the shapes, click the Shape button. Choose Shapes, then draw it in the slide. For the arrow, choose Arrow Style, then draw it in the slide. For the callouts, click the Callout button, choose a callout style, and draw it in the slide. You can also write text inside the shapes. Just click inside, then write the text. How to format images inserted in the slide. If you would like to change the size of the photo, bigger or smaller, resize it by dragging inward or outward these fill handles. If you would like to crop your image, select the image and click the cropping button. Then crop the side of the photo. You may also change the color of the inserted photo. Go to the More button, go to Image Options, and you are allowed to change the color. Pick the color that you want, and that will be applied in the selected image. If you want to bring back the original color, just choose the command No Recolor, and you will have the original color. Now get ready to insert image shapes into your slides presentation.